Hey Fun Fit Foodies, Jim and Nicole here, your nutritional overachiever, and boy did I overachieve today. I'm coming at you from the iconic and legendary, see if you can name this building, Fontainebleau Hotel, and it is phenomenal. I had a great brunch today. It was in benefit of the DJI Rebound Foundation. He just had his DJI Rebound weekend and we turned down for brunch. Today was a celebrity-studded brunch. I had a photo opportunity with the food god himself, and make sure you check my Facebook and also my Instagram to see those photos. And with July here now, with it being right in the middle smack dab of summer, we got tons of things happening at jennifernicole.com. And in honor of the Fun Fit Foodie, nutritional overachiever, I'll be giving away one of my Fun Fit Foodie cookbooks. Go to jennifernicole.com and enter to win.